What's up, Crypto family? Welcome back to the channel where we break down the biggest moves in crypto so you stay ahead of the game. Today, we need to talk about a project that just woke up the entire market, Raincoin, which absolutely exploded with a 96.3% pump in the last 24 hours. Yes, almost doubling in a single day. So let's dive into what caused this move, whether it's sustainable, and what you should watch next. What is Raincoin? Before we jump into the price action, let's quickly break down what Raincoin actually is for anyone who may be new. Raincoin is a project built around AI-powered decentralized tools, with a focus on predictive analytics, on-chain insights, and user-friendly automation for traders. Their goal is to make AI accessible to both beginners and advanced crypto users. Some key features often highlighted include AI-generated market signals, cross-chain supportive infrastructure, high-speed execution layer, community-driven governance model, a growing ecosystem of micro-apps. Nothing crazy on the surface, but enough fundamentals to get attention when volume hits the chart. The 96.3% pump. What happened? Alright, now let's get into the real story. Why Raincoin pumped 96.3% in 24 hours? Here are the major catalysts behind the explosive move. 1. Sudden spike in trading volume. Within hours, Raincoin's trading volume surged, more than 4x its daily average. When liquidity and volume hit smaller cap tokens, the price can rocket fast. 2. New partnership, feature rollout, likely catalyst. Raincoin recently teased a new AI trading tool update, and insiders were already buzzing. When the update went live, the community surged in. Even if the news wasn't huge, the timing was perfect. 3. Social media hype. Crypto Twitter went crazy over one chart showing Raincoin breaking its resistance. A few key influencers mentioned it, and suddenly retail interest flooded in. This wasn't just a slow, organic rise, it was a momentum-driven spike. 4. Whales entering the chart. On-chain data from trackers showed several large wallets making fresh buys, likely anticipating a breakout. Whale activity often triggers FOMO from small traders. Raincoin went from a consolidation zone straight into a parabolic breakout. Technically speaking, it broke major resistance on the 4-hour chart. Volume candles were the largest in weeks. RSI moved into heavily overbought territory. Market sentiment flipped bullish instantly. Price action like this usually indicates one of two things: the start of a larger trend. 2. A temporary hype rally. Which one is Rain? Let's evaluate the fundamentals. Now the real question, is this a one-day wonder, or the beginning of something bigger? Bullish signs, volume supports the move, not a fake wick. New features bring real utility, strong social traction, entry from larger wallets. Bearish signs, RSI extremely high, cooldown inevitable. Still a small cap coin, prone to volatility. Hype-driven pumps often retrace 20–40%. This is where risk management becomes crucial. A coin pumping nearly 100% in 24 hours is never a guaranteed continuation. Momentum traders might lock profits, causing pullbacks. Short-term, next 24–72 hours, expect volatility. Raincoin could pull back and retest support. Consolidate sideways. Attempt a second leg up if volume stays strong. A key level to watch is the previous resistance. If Rain flips that into support, momentum could continue. Long-term, weeks to months. The long-term potential depends on continued development of AI tools, ability to grow its user base, delivering actual utility beyond hype, keeping whales engaged. Raincoin is in a sector, AI plus crypto, that remains one of the strongest narratives. If they execute, this could be the beginning of something bigger. This isn't financial advice, but here's the strategy most experienced traders follow during massive pumps. You don't chase green candles. You wait for a pullback, a retest, consolidation, clear confirmation of trend continuation. Buying after a 96.3% pump is high risk unless you're playing short-term volatility. If you do enter, consider tight stop loss, small allocation, no emotional trading. Always remember, the market owes you nothing. Raincoin just shocked the crypto market with a nearly 100% pump in a single day. Whether it's the start of a bigger run or just a temporary spike, one thing is clear, this project just put itself on the radar. Crypto moves fast. One day you're unnoticed, the next day you're trending. If Raincoin keeps delivering on its AI roadmap, we might be seeing the early stages of a larger narrative. But as always, stay smart, stay informed, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. If you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that like button, subscribe to the Crypto channel,